Hello, everybody. I have a little treat for you. I wrote up a little bit of code that I'm going to go over with you. I've recently started about 2 years ago this bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, and I'm about to relay some of the information that I have gotten. I'm currently in a C++ class, and before that, we learned some Python and some SQL and some Java and some JavaScript, but I'm going to go over this example that I wrote up for you. It's an arrays example. Um, Usually in C++, this is one of the things you're going to see include IO stream and using namespace std. You're going to see these at the top of like every C++ code. And this is a built-in feature, and using namespace std stands for standard, not sexually transmitted disease. Um, and it replaces, like, for instance, where it says C out here, everything would have to say std C out like that in order for it to work. But because I have using namespace std, it works like that. So what this little code does is it takes in an array. I called this one array1. An array is a set of elements, a list of elements, in this case, an integer element. And it's saying that I want 12 to be the limit of elements in this first array. I'm also initializing another variable, an integer I, and that is a count for the for loops that I'm going to show you. I'm also introducing another variable called result, and I'm setting that to 0. So now what this is doing, for I equals 0, I less than 12, plus I. Now what that is doing is it's taking, so I'm asking C in is a standard input for C, and I'm asking for you to give numbers, integers, to fill the array for I, for all 12 of them, one by one. I have to enter 12 integers is what that's asking for. And then this is the same deal, but instead of asking for the integers, that's done and over with. Now I want to add them all up. And I'm putting that into the variable result. Plus equals is a short for result equals array. It's +1, or a way to start taking them in. And then it'll add them all up into a single sum. So all 12 of those elements will end up being one number. And then I'm going to convert that number into a logarithm of what that number is. So I have these C outs in various spots because we're going to type them out here. So ask for input, we'll go here. Ask for input. And then array1 is, and then it'll print array1's value. That's what I'm asking that to do there. And then, so again, what did I put? Ask for input. Ask for input. Paste. And I have a new initializer here and a new result, which I named answer instead of result, and I named J instead of I. J is the new counter for these for loops. And then the new array is array 0, same deal, 12 elements. I'm just kind of filling in my, so why are we missing that? Oh, we're not. Okay. This will say array 0 is the colon there. array 0 is greater. Array 1 is greater. Huh. All right. So those are just the statements to kind of help you go through what's happening here. So after all, and then it's going to say return 0 here at the bottom, and everything is bracketed in this main function. This is a real simple one, all fit into main. So I'm going to run this. Hopefully I don't have any errors. Hey, so array 1, 20, 20, 30, 40, 40, 80. I went too far. All right. So it asked me for my input. I gave it all the elements of the array. The logarithm of the total of the array is 6.29157. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And array 0 is 6.50728. Array 0 is greater. Normal program termination. There's a quick little C++ program I wrote up to give us an example of some things that we've been learning in my current degree program. Thank you for watching. There will be more. Anything science, anything entertaining, I'll keep posting things. So thank you everybody for watching. I'm going to stop sharing.